Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix error code CE-30391-6 on PS4. Method 1. Check datetime. Go to Settings. Go to Date and Time. Now check that your PS4's system date and time are running correctly. You can compare it with the date and time on your phone or watch. If the system date and time of PS4 is wrong, please select Date and Time settings. After that, select Set using Internet. Now, make sure you have ticked the Set Automatically option. Method 2. Make sure just use one account on the PS4. Go to Settings. Go to Login Settings. Go to User Management. Select Delete User. Now, make sure there is only one account on PS4, otherwise delete the others and keep your main account. Once done, go back to Settings. Go to Account Management. Select Sign Out. Next, restart the PS4. Once your PS4 has finished booting, log back into your account. Next, go to Activate as your primary PS4. Now, choose Activate at the confirmation prompt to initiate the procedure. In case your console is already set up as your primary PS4, deactivate it, then restart your PS4 and return to this menu to activate it once again. After this operation is complete, restart your PS4 and see if the problem is resolved once the next startup is complete. Method 3. Change DNS and MTU. Open the Settings menu on the PS4. Select Network. Go to Set up Internet Connection, then select the Wi-Fi or LAN cable option depending on how you connect. Here, I'm using the Wi-Fi Connect. Next, select the Custom option. Select a Wi-Fi network to utilize if required, and enter the password for it. Choose the automatic option for IP address settings. Select the Do Not Specify DHCP setting. Choose the Manual DNS setting. Here, I will try with Google DNS. I will select Primary DNS, then type 8.8.8.8. Next, select Secondary DNS and type 8.8.4.4. Additionally, you can also try with other DNS such as Cloudflare DNS, OpenDNS, etc. Once done, select the Next. Select the Manual MTU option. Input 1473 as the MTU number, and select Next to continue. Select the Do Not Use Proxy Server option. Finally, select Test Internet Connection, then check if error code CE-30391-6 is gone. Method 4. Update the PS4 system software. Go to Settings. Go to System Software Update. This option will prompt your system to check for the latest firmware version. If you do not have the latest version, it will be downloaded to your system. Select Next and follow the instructions. Method 5. Restore licenses. Just go to Settings. Select Account Management. Select Restore License. Restoring your licenses may take several seconds to minutes, depending on the number of licenses you have in your internet connection. Method 6. Rebuild database. To do this, you have first to turn off your console by holding the power button for 3 seconds. The power indicator will blink for a few moments before turning off. Once the console is off, press and hold the power button again. Release it after you hear the second beep. One beep will sound when you first press, and another 7 seconds later. Connect the controller with the USB cable. Now press the PS button on the controller. On the Safe Mode screen, select Rebuild Database. Select OK. Wait for the process to complete and restart your PS4 console. Most of the time, this method will help you to fix all problems. Method 7. Use different network or router. If you have more than one router, try replacing the router you are using with another router. We do this to eliminate the possibility that the problem is caused by the router's strict security features. If that's not possible, try connecting to another wireless network, such as a neighbor's wireless network, mobile data, etc. Then check if the error code is gone. That's it, guys. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.